Creating investor pitch decks usually means spending late nights and aligning text boxes, and just hunting for the right data is just annoying. Here's an operational workflow that you can go from absolutely zero to a highly structured, business ready delivery deck that looks like a professional designer made it. So it's perfect for last minute reporting requirements when sudden meetings are called for executive leadership. So this is Dokie AI, and it is a smarter way to present your ideas. It can refresh your old PowerPoint deck, do a pitch idea for a SaaS startup, and even more. So we're gonna scroll down here and kind of show you the interactive stories you can make with slides and build your own pitch deck in seconds. So this is Dokie AI, and it is super powerful way to get your ideas onto a pitch deck or a slideshow or a PowerPoint. So this is the rundown. These are all shortcuts you can use to write a draft. We're going to go ahead and add a file here. We'll upload the document, create a business plan presenting with a clean, modern business style. So it's creating it right now. We just did a small prompt and it's already done. And so you can see that we can pick the type of style we want. There's a bunch of different templates here that we can use. So we'll go ahead and select this one and create it. Then we can either confirm it or we can refine with smart text and click confirm. We'll have it think, and boom, just like that, style and our branding already done. So this is EcoCharge. You can see that it made a table of contents, the executive summary, overview and missions, the solar charging stations, technology, and the target market, as well as the revenue and competitive advantage. Charts all included, very cool interactive slides. There's 12 slides from that. And you can see how easy it was to actually create this by using just two tools. I mean, we're able to drop a business plan, create and use financial notes or just a PDF summary, and it will create the whole structured presentation with clear logic. We can modify the slides with intuitive hybrid controls, chat narrative with interface, and rewrite specific business points to adjust the narrative. We can showcase the financial data with visuals. As you can see, we can change this really easily. Boom, changed one thing, we can change another. So as you can see, it's just so easy to make adjustments. We can use an AI rewrite, we can make it longer or shorter. We can just prompt it to shorten it, expand it, more formal, more fun, or even a grammar rewrite. Boom, we just replace that and it's ready to go. We can regenerate the images if we want. There's just so many things we can do by instantly building strong visual logic diagrams and data charts from just the raw numbers. We can utilize polished high-end visual assets to avoid the generic AI look and feel. It just makes it so much more presentable by creating this. So it makes it really a not your standard PowerPoint. It is adapted to be really a specialized business scenario, easily tailoring your content, either if that's a dedicated investment pitch, a sales proposal, or any kind of internal training module. It makes it super easy, allowing us to streamline traditional formats so that we can present offline in the standard boardroom. So it makes it really, really easy to do this. We can also change the layout really easily. We can convert it to multiple things. We can change the animations, gravity, collision, code art. I mean, it's all built in, so you can have something that is unique. We can convert it to a draft or a long scroll. We can download it as a PDF, a presentation, a file, even in HTML. So it's all right here. So we just saved it to a theme. Now we can share it with anyone. So this is Dokie AI, and as you can see, it's just a smarter way to present business ideas or just ideas in general. And they have so many different tools than just the one I showed you. So you definitely want to check it out. Stop wasting hours formatting your investment pitch decks and try out the seamless layout generator using the official link in the description. You will definitely save time and money by not hiring a professional. You can do it yourself in seconds.